So I have a tradition. Every year before my birthday, 3 days before my birthday, I try to stay away from social media. I try to make sure not to publicize that it's my birthday. I just don't like that attention. I don't like that publicity. But this year is going to be different. I want the attention. I want the publicity. I want to make sure that everyone knows that it's my birthday, May 4th. But it might not be the reasons that you're thinking. I want to publicize my birthday because I want everyone to know about what's going on in Haiti. I want to bring attention to me so that I could point right back to Haiti. So this year, I'm asking that no one posts on my Facebook and no one tweet me or send me happy birthday text messages. Instead, I'm asking that you would donate $24. Because this is the thing, this year, June 21st through the 28th, we are going to be hosting our third annual Educator Professional Development Conference. And this isn't just any Educator Professional Development Conference. This is the largest of its kind, the largest national educator conference in all of the North, and to the best of my knowledge, in all of Haiti. It costs an educator $75 to attend our annual educator conference. And this $24 is going to help sponsor an educator in Haiti. I want to make this conference the absolute best that it could be, but I can't do it apart from your help. So I'm asking that you would share this video and wish me a happy birthday by supporting Haitian educators. You see, educators in Haiti deserve this publicity. And for that reason, I'm giving them my day. Will you join me?
Will you contribute 24?
24.
Contribute 24. Will you contribute 24?
24.